Time for our new baby girl.
Are we ready? The IV in. See how long we'll have to be in the hospital. Hopefully not too long. Alright. It's 2:30 on July 18th. We're going to the hospital.
Time for our new baby girl.
We have everything packed. Her car seat and I don't know, I think we overpacked, but it's okay.
We definitely overpacked, but that's really more on me than it is on her.
Yeah, better than nothing.
Just got in the car. We're about to head to the hospital right now.
Naval Hospital. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Are we?
We're ready.
Let's go. At the hospital and in the hospital gown. And this is our room. It's actually pretty cool. So everything will happen in here. Monitor, my bed. Once baby out, this is where baby will be. We have our own bathroom, shower and everything. Storage room for more baby bed, yoga bowl, everything else. Ready?
I'm ready.
Got IV in and I got all the monitor on my belly. So we can know how Charlotte's doing.
Right there, you can see her heart rate. Real healthy.
Let's see how long we'll have to be in the hospital. Hopefully not too long. It's 8 o'clock. Give you guys some update. The doctor came in, checked my cervix, and it's only like almost 1 centimeter, so which is not a lot. She did say my cervix is softened up very good, which is good news. While she was checking my cervix, she also stick in balloons to help me to dilate to like 5 to 6. The balloon will fall off once I reach that point, and then she will come check me more. It's so painful. I even cry. It's so uncomfortable. I feel like there's so many things down there and then so many sensations that I never felt before. I now with a balloon in there feel like a little bit pressure, just like cramping, but not very bad cramping. From the monitor, I've been contracting, but not very painful. Like I don't feel the pain of the contracting. And I told my doctor I'm hungry, and she said I can eat a little bit of stuff. So I'm excited. Preston went to 7-Eleven, get some food for me, and hopefully after that, yeah, I'll be okay. Some blood come from the service check. I don't like it at all. It's almost 10 o'clock and I am at 4 centimeters. They pull out the balloons. It broke inside my vagina and it was the most painful thing to take out. I started the Pitocin and then hopefully help me to dilate, and then we'll have epidural once I cannot take the pain.
Trying to open up those hips.
Yeah, Charlotte, come out, please. Charlotte, come out. She just moved the, what's it called?
She upped your Pitocin from 2 to 4.
I can start feeling more contraction. Movie time. What is it, babe? Ching chimney, ching chimney. No? Oh. Winter something something.
Anastasia.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I never watched it.
Yes, you have.
I have?
Yeah.
Chilling.
Just late night snack.
But we would never be together in Paris.
That's very good. Oh my god. I regret it.
Here's the rest of it.
I want more bread.
How's the rest?
No, one more bread.
Our man, dangerous. How dare you return to the palace?
It's about 11:15 p.m. They just changed the birth plan because they say I tolerate the Pitocin very well. It's 9 o'clock.
9:15.
9:15. Next day. I got epidural right now, even though the experience is super traumatic. They did 3 times. 3 times. And then finally succeed. I have everything down there. No more contraction. No more pain from down there. I fart so much. I keep farting and farting and can't control. Preston got food. Huh?
Sorry, yeah.
It's okay.
Leashing has been amazing, completely wonderful. Cannot even tell her how proud I am of her. She's done amazing.
Now it's like 4.5 centimeters dilated. Hopefully today. Today is the day, Charlotte. Come out right now. Hello, baby. Oh, hello.
You have a listener, so you don't need to listen. So you can... Hi, baby Charlotte.
Hi,
Happy
Sissy.
birthday. Congratulations.
Thank you.
A little more. Wonderful. Good. Hi, Dad. First yearbook picture.
Hi, baby.
Baby, after 24 hours.
28.
Oh, it's 28?
Yeah, 28 hours of labor.
We were advised to do C-section.
Turns out vaginal delivery was a little too hard in this case.
My cervix couldn't go further than 4 cm. My water broke too long as well. Before baby go bad, before my risk go higher, doctor think it's better to do C-section.
And our doctor was amazing. Like
Yeah.
Dr. Gutierrez.
Yeah.
Super friendly, very professional.
We got our girl out.
Sweet little Charlotte, there she is.
Yeah. Charlotte girl. Hello, baby. Do you smile? A smile. She is only...
16 hours.
She already pooped. Now we want her to pee.
She's got plenty of time.
Yeah. Very cute.